Hi traders, welcome back to the channel, and this is something you can see a unique setup, and this is a strategy that you can master in your trading, and definitely that can gives you 100% positive outcome. I'm just telling you 100% outcome because I'm just showing you, because I have used this strategy multiple time, and from years of experience I'm just making this video only for you guys how to master RSI strategies on 1 hour time frame. So let me just mention it for you. This is a RSI indicator, and how you can apply this and how you can make strategy formation. Plus we will also going to tell you what will be the accumulation stage, what will be the consolidation stage, plus what will be the distribution steps for this. So before starting all this, let me just tell you how you can find out this. This is US oil chart, because today we have sent a US oil signal based on this particular strategy, and as I mentioned that 100% this strategy will work for me. So according to your risk appetite you can also use the same thing. So US oil we have give a buy setup. Before I will tell exact price, let me show you how this works. If you see this particular red area, this one, and green area, so obviously everyone knows whenever goes green it should be buy, no, not like this, or whenever goes for red you need to sell, nothing like this. This is a very important with the bandwidth. So if you see this bandwidth, upper bandwidth and lower bandwidth, okay, so upper bandwidth and lower bandwidth, this is RSI. How you can apply this? Simply you just need to go to the indicator tab. This is trading view. You just need to type here RSI and you need to select this particular one, okay, and once you will click on this you will get this kind of setup, or maybe a setup in different way. But I have changed few settings. You can apply my settings as well. You can watch my video. I can give you comments on as well, like whatever the settings I have, switch it to. So once you will click on this setting button, then you will get this pop-up notification. On a style, you can select whatever as per your convenient things. Like I have just put a background. This is middle band, this is lower band up to 30, upper band up to 70. So you can click here and you can change your shifts as well. RSI background I have put it for a dark background, so that will be, I like a background, a little bit dark. And then there will be a overbought and oversold gradient fill, that is very important. So overbought I have set as a green, and oversold as I have set on a red side. This will gives me an indication the price will reverse from here, and on the buy side price will going to be reverse from this particular area. Now, I hope you got my point. So here I am clear that whenever there is a green signal, then you should need to start selling, or you should need to go ahead and change your mind towards selling side. And if there is an movement here, if there is a red signals here, then it is a opportunity, or there will be an a chance that the market will goes up from here and the prices will reverse. So how you can apply this settings, I hope I am clear now. I have to show you how you will going to see this particular movement in the live chart. So this is a US oil live chart. You can see I will going to explain the same thing in cryptocurrencies as well as in XAUUSD as well. Okay, so if you see, after going for accumulation there is a consolidation phase in every particular chart, and this is a 1 hour time frame. You can see I have just mentioned, and after this when the price reached to this area, the prices started reversing, and from this particular area we have generated our signal, and you can get a decent price hike up to this area. That's why I'm just telling you this is working 10 out of 10 times for me. Whenever you see this kind of setups on RSI and there is a consolidation into the charts, then you can take entry on the reverse side. But this is not only a simple thing. This is not just this is just a simple thing in listening, okay, but how you can apply, you have to see a proper movement, you have to wait for proper confirmation, and confirmation always comes when you will do a practice a lot. Okay, so if you see here as well, on 26th of December when crude oil came down after a crash from the bottom side, you can see after a consolidation here, movement jump up, and then there is a process of distribution. You can see prices came down after making a high here on 22nd of December. prices started coming down, okay, and then there is a consolidation phase, and then prices go back again. But you will get almost 2 to 3 times chances to understand this particular strategy, while I'll just suggest you to apply this setting and watch the market. Don't overreact or don't do over trading according to this, because once the market will be on the sideways like this strategy will not be a useful for you if you are doing scalping trading. Okay, this strategy will only work if you will go ahead for the long positions or maybe for the swing trade. So this is the best strategy for swing trading. If you want to apply that for scalping trading, then you can also use minimum charts of 15 minutes, or maybe let's switch it to 15 minutes chart. Let me show you 15 minutes chart, and you can apply the same as for intraday as well. See, so today it's the 7th of January. US oil yesterday we have given a buy. After that it got came down here, and then we have seen a strong consolidation and the prices are going up. Okay, from here. And in the 5 minutes chart, what you need to simply do is you need to see the RSI movement is going around 20 or below or not. Okay, because this is a closing chart. As I mentioned that you need to set input RSI length up to 10, or maybe sometimes client use or maybe traders use 15 as well, but there are some different ways to understand this. If you see this 15 minutes, so it means whenever the price came below down to around 15 or 20, around this price range, you can see 15 to 20 around this price range, then there will be a chances of price rejection. So until you can wait until the price comes to you, no need to take or no need to jump into the market. Okay, this is a simple strategy. You can see here again on 2nd of January prices came down around here. Okay, but if you see at this particular time the price was only 57, and after that price reached down to 56.60, and then it reached up to 57.60. Then again price came down around this area 56.30, and then there will be a distribution phase around here. So what you need to do is you need to wait for confirmation. Always when you are doing on a 15 minutes chart, you can see the prices will going to touch this band multiple times, at least two to third time. Okay, so whenever you will see second or third time when the price is coming to this area, then only you need to take entry into this, and then there will be 100%, not 100%, but it will be a chances of reversal in the trend. And then you, if you will jump into the market at the same correct point with the proper trend with proper risk appetite, then you will get a decent returns, and the chances of winning trades will be higher. And you can see after the consolidation, let me tell you, if you will jump and enter from here, then you will get almost $1.80 pips in crude oil. $1.80 pips is a very high amount of success ratio, and that will gives you a superb return. So let me just remove all these drawings for you, and let me just switch it to XAUUSD. What we are watching in XAUUSD, let me tell you. Okay, so whenever price goes around this area, around 25 to 20 area, there are a possible chances that you need to take entry, and then it will move shift their trend into a different side. Now let's see the same thing on a charts. Okay, so after a quick drop, after the prices drop on 22nd of December, you can see prices can came down to $55 here. Okay, $255 here. You can see RSI on 15 minutes chart came to around 12, and from there we have seen, you know, a bounce back into the chart. So bounce back, it means if we have entered from here, the prices will reach around $96 again. So suppose if you entered at this particular point at this area, you can see the price reach up to around 69 as per the RSI. And here we have seen prices started moving from 4320 to almost 4400. It means $96. It means $100 movement we could have captured from here. So this is a very simple strategy, but you need to apply it 2 to 3 times, and you need to do a practice according to that. Because if you see, after getting rejections, price came down, price pull back again and break the previous support. So we have to wait for proper confirmation. So this was the first time, this was the second time, This was the first time, this was the second time, and after that price came again for the third time here, made a low of 4288, and then you can see price never came back, returned to that particular price. You can see, let me show you. So after 4 2 on 31st of December, you can see gold started jumping up, and we have witnessed almost $228 of movement in gold prices in a single rally. You can see this is the channel formation, and gold is continuously trading on a bullish channel again. So that is the best strategy to work whenever, if you want to know how to apply this indicator and what are the settings, you can message me, comment me in the YouTube description box or in the comment section. Definitely I will going to help you. And if you're coming for the first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe the video. And also, this is my Telegram channel ID, guys. This is my Telegram channel ID, Fortune Signals underscore admin. You can reach out to me here as well. And also, let me tell you the support and resistance level for today's gold prices. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, then link is available in YouTube description box. You can follow the links there, and you can join our free trials group as well on WhatsApp as well. Okay, now let me tell you the support and resistance level. I am expecting a support is around at 4443 or maybe 4440 around this area because of the strong consolidation here. So if the prices reach around this area, then you can plan your buy trade, and then somehow the buyers will enter into the positions, and then they can try to push up the prices. And the ultimate resistance is at 4495 to 4500, which we have witnessed yesterday. So if this price breach, if this price breach, then we can expect much more higher volatility and bullish sentiments again. Remember, today we have strong indicate datas, high impact indicate data. So please try to do trade according to your risk appetite. And support and resistance level are in front of you. So according to that, you can plan. Support is at 4440, and resistance is at, first resistance is at 4480. If that bridge, we can expect 4400 is likely to be retested. Trend is on a bullish side, so take care according to that. And I'll see you tomorrow on the same time in daily analysis video. Till then, bye bye, see you guys, thank you.